What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So I wanted to share these two deals that I did this morning. Now, I did post a couple of other deals, I think a few other ones. I posted a TikTok and I posted it on my Instagram, so I'm going to link that down below if you guys want to see it. But these were the two deals that, interested me. I didn't really care for the other ones, so I'm going to be sharing those with you guys right now. Now, the Tide products, like the Tide, the Downy Unstoppable, and the Tide Pods were spend 20 get 5. So this Tide was $11.94. This Downy Unstoppable was $4.94, and then the Tide Pods were $4.94. Now, you guys don't have to get specifically these. You guys can get, whichever scent you like. Now, for the Downy Unstoppable, if you don't want the Unstoppables, you can get the fabric softener. So just make sure that it's $4.94. Now for the toothbrushes, they were on sale for $3.99, and if you buy 3, you get 5. Now it's not just the toothbrushes, they have the toothpaste and the mouthwash as well. So you can get one of those, you can get one of each, or you can get 2 toothbrush and one mouthwash, or whatever works for you guys. Now, this was using all digital coupons, so I'm gonna pull up my phone and show you guys what coupons I used. All right, so as always, we're gonna open our CVS app. We're gonna go to deals and rewards. Now, I hope I have it in this card, but I had them in all my cards. But let's just scroll all the way down to the bottom so we can start with these, with the manufacturer coupons. These are coupons that all of us have. Everyone has it in your CVS app. Now we are going to load this one, the $5 off 3 Crest. So this will work for the toothbrushes, the mouthwash, and the toothpaste. Like I said, you can get 1 in 1, or you can get 3 of each, or however you guys want. Just mix it up. You don't necessarily have to get 3 toothbrushes. Just make sure that the price is $3.99 and it has the little tag of buy 3 get 5. So we're gonna clip that one. That one's already sent to my card, and we are going to clip, let's keep scrolling, this one, for the big Tide. Oh, excuse my nails, don't judge me, please. And we're going to be using this one. This one is what worked for the Downy Unstoppables, but as you can see, it also works for the fabric softener, the one that's 40 loads or more. So we're loading that one, and then we're loading this one. So it's going to be those 3 for our manufacturer coupons. It's 4. It's the Tide Pods, $2 off 1. The Bounce, which works for the Downy Unstoppables, $1 off 1. And it says here, guys, I'm not saying it works. I'm saying it's included. It says includes Downy Unstoppables, and it has to be the 4.3 ounce or bigger. The one that we're getting is 5.7 ounces. So this coupon is for that product, and then the Tide one, and then the $5 off 3 Crest, which is all the way down there. So this one. Now we are going to go into our CRTs, which we also have the app only ones. So you see, I have an app only one for save $1 off Downy fabric softener. This works for the scent boosters as well. I already know it just works, but if you guys just want to double check, you can always click on shop this deal. It'll show you all the products that it'll work for. So you see it works for the scent boosters. So yeah, so that's the app only one, which I'm pretty confident that we all have this one. Now, I also have an in-app only Tide Pods, so I'm clipping that one. Okay, so if you guys decide that you do want to get a Crest toothpaste with the deal, the buy 3 get 5, you also have an in-app only one of 50% off Crest. So that'll be, I think you can use this one for the mouthwash as well, because it doesn't indicate toothpaste only. So make sure you clip that one if you're getting a mouthwash or a toothpaste. Now, these are all my in-app onlys. I want to check out my CRTs. All right, so this is the CRT that we want to clip. We want to clip the 3 off 15 laundry. Okay, so now I have all my coupons clipped. You just go to on card, and you see they're all there. We have the Downy fabric softener, the Tide Pods. We have the CRT 3 off 15 laundry items. We have the $3 off Tide, the big one, the $1 off Downy Unstoppables, the $2 off Tide and Gain, and then the $5 off 3 Crest or Oral-B. You don't have to clip this one. I don't know why it was clipped on there. It's just on there. But these are the ones that we're going to be using for these deals. So now I'm going to show you guys the breakdowns. Let's go to my calculator. Now, remember, the big Tide is $11.94. So we're doing $11.94. The little Downy Unstoppables is $4.94, and the Tide Pods are $4.94. So our total is going to be $21.80. All right, so let's start taking off the coupons. We're going to take off the $3 off Tide, the big one, the $2 off Tide Pods, the $1 off the Downy Unstoppables. Now let's take off the in-app ones. So it's $1 off Tide Pods and $1 off Downy, so that's -2. Now let's take off that $3 off 15 CRT, and our total is $10.82. Now we're gonna get $5 back in extra bucks. So after we get our extra bucks, it's gonna be $5.82 for these 3 products. Now let's divide it by 3. It's $1.94 each. So $1.94 for each of these. That's a very good price for this one. This one not so much. I usually like to pay like 94 cents for it, but I'll just take the $1 off of that one and add it to this one. So making this one like $2.94, kind of, you know in my head how I do my math. But regardless, that's a really good price for this one because this big Tide retails $11.99 at Target. And then the Downy Unstoppables, these are pretty pricey as well. So that's the breakdown for this one. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. Now let's get on to the Oral-B. So these are, like I said, they were on sale $3.99, and we only have one coupon for this one. This one, we have the digital one, that's $3 off 5. Now, if you have a CRT, that's $3 off 12. Oral care, toothpaste, mouthwash, whatever you have, make sure you add that into your breakdown. That way you pay less. But this is what I paid, and I felt like it was an okay price for me for toothbrushes. So $3.99 times 3, we're at $11.97. Now we're going to subtract that $5 digital coupon, the Crest one, and we're at $6.97. Now let's take away the $5 extra bucks we'll get back. Super easy deal. $1.97 for 3 toothbrushes. If we divide it by 3, it's 65 cents each. So if you guys want to do this one, then you guys can do this one. If you guys decide to get the mouthwash or the toothpaste and you guys don't have any extra added on coupons, then it'll be the same, 65 cents for a mouthwash and for a toothpaste and 1 toothbrush, or whatever you guys decide to do. But like I said, if you guys have CRTs, like a $2 off 6 mouthwash, then you would have to get 2 mouthwashes to meet the $6 threshold. And then then this would be a moneymaker, or would be completely free. So if you guys have those CRTs, check your CRTs to make sure what you guys have, because we all have different ones. Alright guys, that's going to be the breakdown for that. Let me know if you guys liked it, and then we'll see you guys in our next video with